Oh, hi, ma'am. Good afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon. How are you?
Yes, I'm doing well. I'm fresh as a flower. Thank you for asking. And tell me, how are you? How was your day so far?
Yes, I'm also pretty well and pretty good so far. I had my classes and I have completed my classes, two or three classes, but now I have another classes, but I give priority to my the speaking skill as well. So that's why I'm here.
Okay, so may I know what kind of class you are having daily basis?
These are my academic classes. Like whatever I'm studying, I'm preparing for competition exam. That's why I have classes.
Okay, so you are taking from online?
Yes,
Okay, okay, that's great. Every time we are busy, so it's a very great things, right?
yes,
So, okay, Khushi ma'am,
yeah,
as we are meeting for the very first time, I want to know a little bit about your side. Would you mind to introduction of yourself?
yes, sure. Okay. As you know, myself Rishi Verma. I hail from Hanumangarh, Rajasthan, and I'm doing my graduation. I'm in final year right now, and I have completed my DLED,
Mhm.
and simultaneously I am running my YouTube channel,
Oh,
where I'm uploading English regarding videos like phrases, idioms, sometimes conversational video, and sometimes vlogs. And if I talk about my hobbies, I love singing, and this is my current hobby to love learn this language with the core of my heart. So
mhm.
yeah, this is bit about me. Thank you.
Okay. It's great to know about you. So, shall I give my short introduction?
Yes.
Okay, so my name is Malati. I live in Bangalore. If I talk about my education, I have completed my graduation in English literature. Earlier, I used to teach in school, but nowadays I'm completely homemaker, and I'm very small YouTuber also, where I'm trying to uploading English related conversation solo and shorts video. It's yes, it's enough for me.
Yeah, good to know.
Yes. Okay,
Hmm.
so my question is, so I know you are also a YouTuber and you are also learning
Hmm.
this language. Little bit I want to know your journey.
Okay. Yes, I was started my channel in 2023, I would say. But initially, I was started just for teaching geography there. But after some time, I left to teach because of my because of some reasons, because of my studies and preparation. At that time, I had exam burden. That's why I left. But after some time, I come back on my channel, and I was started to uploading the videos regarding to the English content. I was started from shorts, like idioms, phrases, and after if I talk about my consistency regarding to that language, so I before 3 months I was very consistent about this language, and I'm learning this language consistently. And recently I have started to uploaded conversational videos, because I guess if we are feeling comfortable with this language, so I guess we have to switch to the another things. I was initially when I was starting to learn this language, what kind of things I was done, that is speaking, that is the listening a lot, and speak with myself in front of camera, in front of mirror, whenever I am whenever I have a leisure time. So I spend to talk with myself. Self talk is very helpful. So that's how I am learning this language. This is my a short journey, I would say.
Wow, it's a very nice journey and still you are learning. It's a very great thing. So you are following consistency also. It's a very great thing. So it's not every person's cup of tea, I would say, because in the between they try to, give up. They thought I
Mm-hmm.
can't do, it's not possible from my side like that. They are thinking, so that's why in the between they can't do consistent, they can't follow the consistency. So even you are following, it's a very good and great thing. So we should actually, who are learner, they have to follow our, like if we are learning no matter only this language, regarding our study, regarding other skills also, just everything ask consistency, hard work, determination, right, in practice. So that's why if
Definitely,
we can
definitely.
follow those things, sooner or later we can get achievement also, whatever our goals we can get achievement. So that's why we should follow those things, I would say.
Hmm.
Yes.
Okay. As I see that your English is really too good, and I want to know that what about your journey? How why you are learning this language and how you improve your language?
Okay, so if I talk about my journey, earlier I used to teach in school, as I already mentioned you. So in that time, it was not a proper English medium. It was a government school, and that time all rounding subject I used to teach. It was primary level. So, but that duration, my English was quite good in a written way, not a spoken way. In a written way, I was good at in English. But after left that schools, it has been very long year journey. I didn't do anything because I got married, and then family, then children. So that's why I totally occupied my household source, my home, like that, and I didn't do anything. So as you know, it's not our language, right? It's a second language, it's a global and second language. We are not using at home also. And in my case, here is a no that much, like environment also in my hometown. So that's why I didn't consider about English. But after moved in here in Bangalore, I found here is environment, and somewhere I feel it was my dream also. I wanted to talk, and I wanted to be fluent speaker. So that's why I start again my journey. It has been more than 1 year. I'm consistently working here. And after starting my journey, I would say I started from scratch level. Okay. So and after a couple of months later, I have started my YouTube channel also, because of in that time I couldn't get partner, and I wanted to talk as much as possible, but I couldn't get partner. So someone suggested me, if we are starting our YouTube channel, it will be help, it will be pushed to us like that. So then now I started my YouTube channel, and still I'm working. Still I'm working. I'm learning day by day. I'm learning day by day. I'm enhancing my confidence also. It's a significant roles for my journey. So yes, I'm doing consistently here.
Yes, yes, I can see. And as you mentioned that the surrounding is most important. Yes, definitely. Grab our mother tongue by our surroundings. So this is really very difficult. Because this is not our language. So this is a very difficult task to learn this. But as you already mentioned, that consistency is the root of that everything. If
Yes.
you want to do something in your life, so you be consistent, and one day you will definitely achieve this. Yes. And if I talk about the environment, yes, I am damn uh, I agree with your point that because I have also initially I had no environment. My background is English medium. If I talk about my schooling, that was English medium, but there is no surrounding.
Yes.
Even teacher cannot speak in English, could not speak in English. Even we are friends, I would say. So we are sometimes we are speaking in our mother tongue. I'm saying that. So yeah, environment matters a lot.
Yes.
It helps a lot. But if you are no environment, you have to create your own environment.
Yes.
Yes. Hmm.
And likewise, I also create my own environment. You know, I started my mobile. I watched only English related things. Even I kept all the things in the only English, and as much as possible, I make one groups WhatsApp group. There are also only ladies. They are also very enthusiasm for learning this language. Daily basis, I try to talk with them. I interact with them. in audio call, sometime video call. It's also helped me. And in YouTube channel where I'm trying to uploading video, there is also helping me. And shorts video here is also helping me. So that's why I'm quite happy nowadays, because of according to even here environment is here. Okay, if I will step out from my room,
Mhm.
but anytime it's not, how can I go every time for the outside just for talking, right? And we can't get that
Yes.
much person to only they will talk. So that's why I create my own environment. Now it's a very smoothly going on. And if you are very honestly, if you are very insidely determination for learning anything, somewhere
Yes.
environment, it's a artificial environments also feel like that you start to enjoy there, right? So that's why
Yes. Yes.
nowadays I would say everyone very enthusiastic for learning this language. If I will call to any friend, they will just talk. So yeah, it's helpful for us, I would say. Hmm.
Yes, definitely. That's
Great.
great. Okay, I have some questions for you. Can I ask?
Yeah, 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 you can ask me.
Okay. What are the mistakes you did in your previous videos, previous session, and uh, and you want to improve this? So, what are the mistakes?
Sorry, last point.
I would say I'm saying that what are the mistakes that you did in your previous session and you want to improve?
Okay, okay. So mistakes, if I talk about mistakes, definitely everyone makes mistake while talking. Okay, it's a
Yes.
different part of return time, because who are expert, I would say they will not make any mistakes. But while talking,
Mm-hmm.
everyone makes mistake. And I am a learner. I would say I consider myself beginner. Okay, definitely, no doubt, so
Yes.
many mistakes I do while talking. Still, I'm maybe making
Mm-hmm.
mistake later. I can observe. Yes, in my last session, yesterday, I had one session with a group session. It was a group session, and I was a host in
Mm-hmm.
that session. I was having the session. Starting point, I made mistakes. Later, after speaking, I got, oh my God, I made mistakes. But I couldn't
Mm-hmm.
editing also, because that was, I told, now I am going to having the session. No, sorry, now I am going to taking the session. It's proper wrong sentence grammatically. Now I'm going to take
Mm-hmm.
session. It's correct. Okay. But
Yes.
I told
Yes.
there, now I'm going to taking session. It's 100% incorrect sentence. But after complete my sentence, oh my God, I did mistakes. But it's okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now then I become little more aware. Okay, I should not do such kind of mistake again. So now I am become little more aware. But in this duration, how much you will try, somewhere your tongue will slip, and somewhere deliberately or knowingly or unknowingly it's happened. It's a mistakes come out anyhow.
Yes. Yeah, this is important that if you are doing mistake and after that you realize and you try to improve this, this
Yes,
is the biggest thing.
yes.
Yes,
So
and as you mentioned that,
hmm.
Mhm. Go
Yes, yes,
ahead.
continue.
Yes, as you mentioned that you that was the grammatical mistake, right? So I want to know that is grammar important in our conversation?
Okay, so your question is that, is there important grammar in conversation?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, yes,
Yes.
it's important. See, I will say one thing. Who are completely beginner, okay, who are coming completely scratch level, that time you should not think about grammar. Yes, if you know basic rules of grammar, you can very easily interact with everyone. Okay, basic rules, your present,
Mhm.
past, or future. Okay, it's a very basic rules of grammar. At least you are aware about that. Later, other things come later. Okay, so I would say,
Yes.
I don't recommend initially time. You should first learn the grammar, then you can start speaking. It's I don't, because they feel monotonous. Okay, somewhere here and there mistake, it's okay. Everyone can understand because we are learner. But each and every steps,
Mhm.
if I am talking only wrong grammar, starting to ending, it's also, I don't think so. It's good, right? Then slowly you can reduce your
Yes.
grammatical errors.
Yes, definitely. I had so many sessions. People suggest me that if you are a learner, so you should start with listening a lot.
Mhm.
No need to directly switch into the grammar.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's they are 100% they are right who are telling, because it's my own experience also. I think every learner's one experience first, if they will start to input, then they can do output.
Yes, yes,
Yes.
definitely, you are right.
Okay, so other question, if you have, you can ask.
Yes. Okay, what are the practices? What types of practices you are doing to improve your English right now?
Okay, right now.
Nowadays, I'm saying.
Okay, nowadays I'm just focusing my speaking and listening part. Even though I wanted to follow four pillar: reading, writing, speaking, and listening. Speaking and listening is my favorite part, and I'm not into a reading or writing person. But yes, I have purchased two, three books, and I have done already. And one book again I have started, which is Atomic Habit. I'm now about to complete it, these books also. Actually, it was not interested part for me, because everyone from I listen, reading is very important and very crucial things for learning this language. If you are in corporate this habit in our daily life, we can very easily articulate the sentence. We can enhance the vocabulary also. So that's why, forcefully, I would say, forcefully I pushed my mind, and then I started to reading books also. But I'm very happy, and I very feel energetic too while speaking and listening. It's my favorite part, and I'm
Yes.
doing consistently those work also, compared to reading and writing. Those are, once in a blue moon only.
Yes, definitely. Because yes, I'm also doing a lot like listening and speaking.
Mhm.
I would say that reading is also very hectic for me because I don't like to read. I
Yes.
don't like to write and read. So yeah, I'm also following these two things, listening and speaking.
Yes,
Yes.
yes, exactly. Where you feel happy and enjoy, no? I would say this thing you should start. Then you
Mhm.
can grab very fast.
Yes.
Hmm.